Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we will be looking at the hardware business. And we have Purity who owns a hardware business. She will be telling us all the requirements you need before starting the business, so I hope we learn a thing or two. How are you, Purity?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you for welcoming us. We are so grateful. I want to ask you a few questions regarding your hardware. What does one require to start a hardware and electronic business?
When starting a hardware, first you will need capital. Then after that you will need to choose the location of your business. You need to choose a location that has a lot of construction projects and a place that you can get deliveries.
Does this business have profit?
This business has profit. When starting a business, the one question that you should ask yourself is, does this business have profit or not? Generally, this business has profit.
What are some of the challenges you face in this business?
The main challenge I face is that some items are not easy to find, especially with the corona pandemic. Some items that you need to import might not be available. A customer may come to buy an item and find it's not available. Another challenge is that a customer might come to purchase something but don't have money at the moment. So you give them a commodity on a loan. Sometimes the customer disappears. And in this case you not only lose the money but you also lose the customer.
What level of education is required for you to start this business?
This business does not require a high level of education. However, you need some education to be able to manage your business. Mostly, this business requires you to have a business-oriented mind and a business plan.
Does this business require license?
Yes, you do need a license and also things like fire extinguishers in case of fire emergencies.
Where do you get your hardware items from?
Some I buy from Indians. I also get some from the industrial area and others are delivered to me.
Where can someone find your business?
My hardware is called Hopeline's Hardware and it's located at Kenyatta Road opposite Juja Preparatory Academy. Once you are there, ask around and you will be directed to my hardware.
Thank you very much for your cooperation. I really appreciate. So guys, you have heard it from Purity that you can start your business. It's very easy. If you want a full course, consider visiting our online college Finstockuniversity. Check out our website at www.finstockuniversity.com. Remember to like the video, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.